Welcome to another video tutorial. In this video I am going to show you how you can use our custom page export and import feature, which we have described here. Here we have described that we have a custom page import and export system which allow your user to export import their ready page to create similar page in another website they own. Let's see how we can do it with user websites. Go to one of your user website, go to admin panel, now go to pages, first all pages. So let's say we will create another page which will be similar to about us page. Let me show you how about us page look like. Here it is. Let me download this page layout. We have downloaded the page layout. Now create a new page. Let's say name it test page. Click on save changes. New page is created. Click on all pages. Now click on import template. Select this layout. Click on upload button. Here you will see a warning. It will overwrite all of your old data with the new imported layout. Click yes, upload it. Page layout is update success. Let's see how it look like. Click on view item in front page. Here it is. You can see the full page layout is imported into our this test page. So this is how you can export or import any pages which you have built using page builder and import it to another page as you want. Let's see how we can implement this same exported page into another website. Log into another website and go to admin panel. You see this is new.multisaas.test. The demo I have shown you, that was test.multisaas.test. So we will show you how you can export your another website page into another website. Let's log in into this website admin panel. Okay, so let's go to pages, create a new page. Let's name it hello about page. Enable page builder, click on save changes. Go to all pages. Click on import layout. Select this layout. Click on upload button. Confirm it. The import is done. Let's check it. Hello about page. Click on the view button. You see it load all of the about us template properly in the new website as well. So this is how you can use the export import feature of MultiSaas multi-tenancy multi-purpose website builder by export or import their ready-made pages for any other website they are using or the same website in separate page. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye.